Hello, did you know that you can create your own unique mock-up book cover design using Being Image Creator? Look at this, isn't this cool? You cannot find this design anywhere on the internet, not even any book have created something like this. So you can see this. Let me still scroll and scroll. That's it. Let me go to another one so you see how beautiful they are. You can also see this here. It's a bit slow. You can see this. You can see this. You can see this. You can also see this here. So how do we go about it? See the next one here. How do we go about doing this? That is what I'm going to teach you today. How to create your own unique mock-up book cover using the Being Image Creator. Isn't this beautiful? So in case you like this, what I've done here, you can always look at the prompt at the right-hand side and pick from there. I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, it's now showing. You can pick from there and edit it. So how do you go about it? The first thing you need to do is to come to ChatGPT, which is chat.openai.com, and just write something like this. Write a prompt for Being Image Creator on a mock-up book cover on how to set unbreakable goals. Now, where we have how to set unbreakable goals, you can decide to change it. Rather, instead of deciding to change it to your own book title. The next thing, you now give it additional information. Show how hard it is to achieve a goal and how nice it is when you achieve it. So this is the additional goal. Then the next instruction is prompt not more than 300 characters. Either you say prompt or write. So let's click send. So if you see here now, ChatGPT is mistaking it, still asking it to limit it to 300 characters. So we are going to ignore that one here and pick this here. Design a compelling mock-up book cover for how to set unbreakable goals. Capture the struggle of goal setting with impactful imagery depicting challenges contrasted with joy and accomplishment. Emphasize all resilience and triumph in visually engaging composition. So we're going to ignore that part, that where it has limits, to 300 character, copy it, come to Being Image Creator and paste it and click create. So let's watch and see. If you're not satisfied with that, you can ask it to regenerate. So I've asked it to regenerate. Now you see when it regenerated it now asks for 300 limit. I think the second one understands it better. So you are going to look at what it has generated. If you're not satisfied with it, you can ask it to regenerate as many times as possible. So let's look at what it has done here. Let's look at what it has done here. So if you are not good at graphic design, all you just need to do is to give it to ChatGPT and it's going to give you what you want. So keep doing this process until you get the best out of it. So let's wait for it. All right. Wow. How to set unbreakable goals. Let's see. How to set unbreakable goals. This is so cool. To the next one, how to set unbreakable goals. I do not like this. This look like a war film or something like this. How to set unbreakable goals. So I think this is cool. Let me also paste the next one and see how far to go. So this is how to create your own book cover design. You can decide to adopt it for your hard copy if you feel like. While we wait for it, you can also ask it, give it additional information and tell it act as a graphic designer. Then I ask it to rewrite. So I'll tell it to act as a graphic designer and then rewrite. So let's see how this one will go to. Let me copy this while I wait for the other one to finish. All right. Wow. I've got so many options here. Remember, if you want to change this prompt here, you can always change where you added some additional, when you put some additional information like where I have here, I have show how hard it is to achieve a goal and how nice it is when you achieve it. You can change that one so that it will affect the overall design. So let's look at what it has generated. Oh my, this is good. Now, in the case where ChatGPT does not write whatever you want correctly and you are in love with the design, you can always go to Canva and edit it. In my previous video, I had taught on how to edit images. I mean, how to edit text on AI generated images. So you can always use that. So look at it here, how to say unbreakable goals. So let the text that are poorly written not be a problem to you. We have a solution I've written on it. So you can see it. I think this is cool also. Lastly, let's look at the last one before we call it a day. Let's see the last one before we call it a day. Remember, for you to do your mock-up book cover, you need to use both ChatGPT and Bing Image Creator. ChatGPT is going to help you to get in the best prompt that you need to use for your Bing Image Creator. So this is it. You can decide to choose anyone you want. Anyone you want. Forget about the misspellings. Misspelled words, you can always adjust it just like I have mentioned earlier. I hope this helps to give you a sound background on how to create your own mock-up book cover designs. To have a nice day.